Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make mushroom soup from mushroom powder. Start by whisking 2 tablespoons mushroom powder into cold stock to avoid clumps, then heat slowly while stirring. Add diced onion, garlic, and a bay leaf. Simmer gently for 10 minutes. Finish with cream or a splash of milk, adjust salt and pepper, and blend for a smooth, velvety texture ready to serve. Begin by sautéing onion and garlic in butter or oil until soft and golden to build flavor. Sprinkle a pinch of salt to draw out moisture and caramelize naturally. Add mushroom powder and toast briefly, then deglaze with a splash of white wine or sherry to lift the taste. Simmer with stock, taste, and adjust seasoning slowly until the soup has a rounded, savory profile you enjoy. Decide on texture early. Blend fully for a silky soup or pulse for some bite and mushroom pieces. Stir in cream, plant milk, or a pat of butter to enrich mouthfeel and create a cohesive body. If you use dried or rehydrated mushrooms, reserve some slices for garnish. Finish with fresh parsley, chives, toasted mushroom slices, or a swirl of olive oil to add aroma and visual appeal before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.